third video of the 2010-2011 winter season, and we got a tricky storm coming our way. First here we got the GFS total precipitation for 24 hours from now. It's Thursday afternoon, and we'd be looking at 5 to 10 inches of snow. Should definitely be a good amount. And then next here we have the NAM. It's the short-term model, and it's looking like a more of a 4 to 8 type solution. So definitely a good amount of precipitation from the storm. And here's the radar. Mainly it's centered over Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Maryland, Delaware, those areas. It's just starting to get heavier in New York City, Long Island, and it's making its way into southern Connecticut now. And an interesting thing here with this storm and the dynamics of it are these yellow bands here. They're what's called banding. And it's when the dynamics of the storm sort of play out in a way that certain areas get heavier snow than others. And that is definitely going to be the case with the storm. Actually, the SPC, it's a division of the National Weather Service, they're calling for some heavier snow for us tonight, as you can see in this area around here. Around, an inch an hour snowfall rates. So that would be a, sizable amount, not as big as some of the precip rates that we had with the storms earlier this winter, but still sizable. And there's another model that confirms this. It's a short-term model. It's called the RUC. Stands for Rapid Update Cycle, so it comes out every hour or so. But anyway, it's got in the upper atmosphere sort of a lot of humidity and instability that will cause the banding to occur later tonight. This is around midnight or so. And you may say that sounds great. We're going to get a lot of snow. We're not going to have school tomorrow. That's what you might think. But unfortunately, the same model is also showing, and a lot of the other models are basically showing the same thing. The precipitation, at least the bulk of it, is going to be out of here by 4 to 5 in the morning. Probably closer to 4. So, and this means the plows are going to have plenty of time to get rid of whatever falls, be it 5 to 10 inches. So that leads to the prediction, we'll be looking at 5 to 10 inches of snow, plenty of snow. It'll be heavy at times overnight, and it's going to unfortunately be tapering off by 4 to 5 in the morning. So the plows will be able to clear the roads in time. This leads to my prediction, and I need to stress that this is a below average certainty for this prediction. It's below average certainty, meaning I could be wrong. As is always, but more so the case now. The prediction is for a 2-hour delay, which means for us a normal midterm schedule. So I think the plows will be able to clear the streets in time. I could see it giving us a cancellation if the snow were to stick around a little bit longer, or the accumulations were to be too high for the plows to clean up. And that's not out of the realm of possibility, but it really isn't looking like that's going to happen right now. So have a good night.